So I want one of these. And I'm gonna print one. I'm just gonna take it from that. So right now, from going from that, I am going to look up an image of the Rad Scorpion and put it into Meshi AI and get it to generate an STL for me. From there, I'm gonna put it into Mesh Mixer to where I can make it hollow and give it the wall density strength that I want. Take that, put it into the slicer, then cut it up in there to the size that I want. I actually printed it on 6 different printers, 4 of them Creality, 2 of them Elegoo. While they're printing, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and grab some of the supplies I need, since I'm out of a few of them. One's further back. Sorry.
One of those?
Like 2 more.
2 more?
Dude was super helpful. I didn't want to climb on the shelves, so I'm glad he came over and did. And then the filler's on the other side, right? Okay, awesome. I'm gonna seal these, okay?
The same one, right?
Yep, all the same. Thank you, you too. Obviously, it didn't print that fast. I had this printed the day before, and I just made sure I got it all assembled the night prior. And that's going to take a bit, so I'm just going to let it fast forward. I'm just coating it with the plastic wood, that way I could take it outside and prime it. I forgot to film when I was priming it, so we're going to jump straight into airbrushing it after this. So after taking a day to print that and paint it, here is the result. I didn't want to do just a plain like black Rad Scorpion because I could have just printed it in all black, which I did, but I looked up different designs of the Rad Scorpions, and I think I really liked this one the most, where it was the kind of like albino with the red in between the joints anyway on it. Scorpion. It's a good size of Scorpion. It would be fun to maybe put like an RC car underneath this and have it be able to drive around. Especially like if I were to bring this to Wasteland next year and like have an RC car drive around as a Rad Scorpion, that'd be pretty cool. Or having something that can drive around with me when I'm riding my bike out there, that'd be really cool. Do you think I can take out the Rad Scorpion with the rusty bolt pistol? if you thought this was cool, and would like to continue like supporting me just by watching, subscribe, like, comment, share, do that. That'd be pretty cool because you can make a lot of stuff. And it's fun to make stuff. Thanks for watching.